Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trials from museums or cultural institutions through their educational partnerships, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit your local museum, library, or cultural institution and inquire about digital partnerships and member benefits. Many institutions partner with educational platforms, streaming services, and learning apps. Step 2. Sign up for a membership if required, or check if your existing membership includes access to partner services. Some institutions offer these benefits even with free or basic membership levels. Step 3. Visit the institution's website and log in to your member account. Navigate to the Member Benefits, Digital Resources, or Partners section to view available trial offers. Step 4. Browse through the list of partner services and select the ones that interest you. Educational platforms, language learning apps, and cultural streaming services are commonly offered. Step 5. Note the access codes, partner links, or instructions provided by the institution for each service. Some may require you to verify your membership number. Step 6. Visit the partner services website using the special institutional link or enrollment page designed for museum and library partnerships. Step 7. Create an account or sign in using your existing credentials. Enter your institution membership number or access code when prompted to verify your eligibility. Step 8. Complete the verification process and start using your free trial. Many cultural institution partnerships offer extended or even indefinite access as long as your membership remains active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.